The Teatro Real in Madrid recently hosted the premiere of its new opera season, featuring Adriana Lecouvreur, an event that radiated the charm of a truly significant occasion, combining high culture with royal elegance. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like my video, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next update. On Monday evening, the Teatro Real came alive with a memorable atmosphere where culture and the grandeur of special events intertwined seamlessly. As is customary, the Kings inaugurated the opera season, this time accompanied by Minister of Culture Ernest Urtasun and various dignitaries from Madrid. The opera selected for this season's opening was particularly noteworthy as Adriana Lecouvreur, composed by Francesco Cilia, 1866 to 1950, was making its debut on the Teatro Real stage, a significant milestone for both the venue and the production. Set against the backdrop of the vibrant Paris of the Enlightenment, Adriana Lecouvreur draws inspiration from the life of the iconic actress Adrienne Lecouvreur. Celebrated for her remarkable talent, she garnered admiration from figures like Voltaire, who defended her artistry against critics. Her illustrious career, tumultuous romantic liaisons, most notably her relationship with Marshal Maurice de Saxe, partner of the jealous Madame de Bouillon, and her mysterious and untimely demise at the age of 38 contributed to the intrigue surrounding her life. This rich narrative captivated the kings, Felipe and Letizia, and an array of distinguished guests who attended the performance. The kings made their grand entrance at the Teatro Real shortly before 7 p.m., greeted by a warm and enthusiastic crowd gathered in the picturesque evening light of Madrid. Their arrival was marked by cheers and applause from admirers, a testament to their popularity and the significance of the event. They were welcomed by several notable figures, including the Minister of Culture, the President of the Community of Madrid, Isabel Díaz Ayuso, the Mayor of Madrid, José Luis Martínez Almeida, the President of the Teatro Real, Gregorio Marañón, and the General Director, Ignacio García Belenguer. After exchanging friendly banter and posing for photographers, the kings proceeded to their seats in the presidential box, where they received an enthusiastic ovation from the audience, further emphasizing the royal presence at this cultural milestone. The event drew a diverse crowd, reflecting the cultural tapestry of Madrid. Among the notable attendees were celebrated tenor Plácido Domingo, former presidents of the Community of Madrid Alberto Ruiz Gallardón and Cristina Cifuentes, as well as former Minister Elena Salgado. Their presence underscored the opera's importance, drawing attention from various sectors of society, including politics and the arts. As the evening unfolded, the atmosphere in the Teatro Real was electric. The audience was treated to a stunning production that combined elaborate sets, exquisite costumes, and powerful performances. The music, composed by Cilia, resonated throughout the grand hall, bringing to life the emotional depth of Adrienne Lecouvreur story. The opera's themes of love, jealousy, and ambition echoed the complexities of human relationships, engaging the audience on multiple levels. This evening not only marked the beginning of a new season at the Teatro Real but also served as a reminder of Madrid's rich cultural heritage. The blend of history, artistry, and royal presence created an atmosphere of celebration, making it a night to remember for all who attended. The stories told through the opera resonate with the audience, reflecting the timeless allure of theater and its ability to bring people together in appreciation of art and culture. As the curtain rose on Adriana Lecouvreur, it set the stage for an exhilarating season filled with unforgettable performances and cultural enrichment. The Opera House, a symbol of artistic expression, continues to play a pivotal role in Madrid's cultural landscape, drawing both locals and tourists alike. With each performance, it reinforces the importance of the arts in society, inviting new generations to experience the beauty and power of live theater. Looking ahead, the Teatro Real will host a variety of productions, showcasing a diverse range of operas and performances that appeal to all tastes. This commitment to cultural excellence not only enriches the local community, but also positions Madrid as a key player in the global art scene. As the new season unfolds, audiences can look forward to an array of artistic offerings that promise to inspire and entertain, ensuring that the legacy of opera continues to thrive in this historic venue. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the Spanish monarchy. Thanks for watching till the end.